show today, and he is one of our awesome flooring consultants. And we are here to talk about the month of March and what giveaway we're going to do this month. And we picked March because
it's my favorite month. It's my birthday month. I was born on St. Patrick's Day.
And so what we decided to do was pick a local tavern here in Carlsbad, and it's called Hennessy's Tavern, and we picked them to do for our giveaway for a $50 gift card. And so what you have to do is
make sure you tag 3 friends and share and follow both West Coast Floring and Hennessy Tavern in Carlsbad.
And so what we're going to do is on March 16th, the day before St. Patrick's Day, we are going to do our drawing, and we'll be able to let everybody know who wins. So happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Make sure to follow us.